everyone. Today I am doing a review on this 2021 Keratin hair care treatment from Sunatoria. This was given to me free for review, so thank you for that. I'm really enjoying this product. So my hair has been very neglected. My hair is dyed, split end, falling out, dry, dull, what have you. And I've used this product 2 times per week for 2 weeks. And I've noticed that my hair is very soft and shiny, feels really good, and I really feel that this product is working and it is repairing my hair. It says that it repairs the hair and deeply conditions, restores softness and shine, lasting protection from drying out, and it also protects from damages of sun rays and prevents breakage. And I believe that all of this is true. This is a very nice product. It can be used on all hair types. I have dyed hair, and this product has not affected the dye on my hair at all. You can be purchased for $19.70, so that's a very, very nice price for this 8.5 ounce generous container. And let me just let you take a look at this product. And this is after 4 times using it. There's the creamy product. How much is left in that container? That's a nice conditioner type of smell to it. So I'm extremely pleased with this. I'd give it an overall A+. I haven't tried any other keratin hair type of treatment products. I'm definitely not an expert of any sort in any type of makeup or hair care, but I have damaged hair. It was neglected, and my hair is very, very soft. I'll try to get up in front of the camera. I don't know how well you'll be able to see how soft my hair is, but it's very, very nice. And there was someone who brought it to my attention because when I first received the product, I had posted pictures on my Instagram, and she sent me a message saying that I guess it's probably pronounced cetearyl, C-E-T-E-A-R-Y-L alcohol is an ingredient in here, and thought it might be drying. And I actually looked up that ingredient, and that is not your typical type of alcohol. There are several types of alcohol that would be bad to have in a product and it would be drying. That is not. That is a good ingredient to have in there, and it actually enhances the softness of the product. So that's a plus as well. So this Keratin hair mask treatment from Sunatoria, I give it an A+, and especially for the price of $19.70, everyone should try it. Thanks. Have a great day.